Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a video. Today is September 18th, and I just want to talk about my online opportunity. For those that don't know, I've been online since 2015, and I had my breakthrough in 2016. I'm showing others how to earn a full-time income from home, and I'm extremely excited about this because I've been having major success consistently, and I'm showing other people how to do the same. So this is my Facebook page, guys. I went ahead and updated my cover photo. I hope you guys love it. And if you want to connect with me, you can definitely connect with me through Facebook, okay? Today, what I want to talk about is the Power Lead system. And for those that don't know, I've been with the Power Lead system since September of 2017, and it's allowed me to generate a full-time income, and I'm showing others how to do the same. It's extremely easy to use. It's newbie friendly, and it's extremely duplicatable. And with this new traffic method that I'm using, it's going to allow you to take your business to the next level, okay? And we're going to talk about that too, because it's not really about just the Power Lead system. It's also about traffic, having consistent leads come to your funnel so that you are earning consistently, okay? So going into my account for this week, the week ends every single Saturday evening. I'm already at $580 in commissions for the week. And I'm extremely excited about that because I have people consistently coming through the funnel. Also, we get paid weekly, and tomorrow is payday, so I'm excited about that as well. We all get paid tomorrow. You get paid direct deposit, or you can get paid on a debit card. So the Power Lead system allows you to get a few different commissions. They have the gold level, which is unlimited $20 residual commissions. They have the 147 level, which allows you to get unlimited $100 commissions. The platinum level, which is $497, allowing you to get unlimited $400 commissions. And the Master Traffic Institute, $1497, allowing you to get $1,000 commissions. These three levels are one-time payments, and this is a monthly payment of $53, okay? The Power Lead system shows you how to generate traffic and leads to your funnel, and it allows people to generate traffic for their main business. What we've been actually doing is a new method with Facebook where we are allowing others and showing others how to build engagement through Facebook by getting likes and comments and shares, bringing people back to their page where they can pretty much promote their business. And this is a new method we've been testing for the last 2 weeks, and it's working fantastic, okay? 434 likes, 125 comments, 10 shares. And since I've been using this method, it's allowing me to bring in and generate consistent commissions from my business, okay? 346 likes, 120 comments. Here, 309 likes, 109 comments. And here, 315 likes, 58 comments. So as you can see, it fluctuates, but it's been pretty consistent. And what's actually happening is it's allowing me to engage with a lot of people and get a lot of people to join my business opportunity. So if you want to learn this method, you can reach out to me and I'll show you exactly how to do this, okay? But back to the Power Lead system, these commissions will allow you, turn off the air conditioning, will allow you to bring in consistent $100, $400 commissions, $1,000 commissions, $20 commissions, okay? So if you want more information about the opportunity, you want to see how it works, you want to test drive it, my link is in the description below. If you want to reach out to me before you get started, that information is also in the description below. So thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed, and I will see you again tomorrow. So have a great night.